about two negative points or repercussions of doing devaluation of currency. First is it reduces the purchasing power. Now, what is purchasing power? The person who was having a salary of 40,000, now also he is having the salary of 40,000 only. But earlier he could buy more products out of that 40,000. But now, in order to boost exports, if the exporter is getting more money for exports, why would the exporter sell the same product at a reduced price in our country? So in our country also, exporter would sell the product but at an increased price. So it reduces the purchasing power. The same quantum, the same quality and same quantity of products and services would cost more. They're not increasing the quality, they're not increasing the quantity, but the costing is more because the currency has been deliberately devalued in the international market. And second repercussion is it triggers inflation. Yes, if the purchasing power is reduced, so what does that mean? That without increasing the quality and quantity, the price point of the product is increasing. And that is a major concern for every country. Inflation beyond 3 to 4% is not at all a good signal for the government in an economy, because then it causes another social issue, that is poverty to increase, people below poverty line to increase, people getting poor while sitting there in their households. So this is the meaning of devaluation, deliberately reducing the amount of our currency, and it's always done by the person in power, that is the government. Thank you.